Hi there. Have you ever wished you could unleash your inner artist, create stunning designs effortlessly, or bring your wildest ideas to life in just a few clicks? Whether you're a professional artist, a student, or someone who loves to doodle for fun, creativity should be simple, inspiring, and accessible. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to Instadoodle, a groundbreaking digital tool that revolutionizes the way you create art. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Instadoodle makes drawing, designing, and creating easier than ever before. In this video, I'll explain how Instadoodle works, how it can transform your creative process, and where you can get your hands on it. Stick around, and don't forget to click the link in the description or the first comment below to visit the official website and start your creative journey today. So, how does Instadoodle work? This innovative tool combines advanced AI with user-friendly design to help you create stunning art in minutes. Whether you're sketching from scratch or using its vast library of templates and tools, Instadoodle adapts to your needs, making the creative process fast, fun, and frustration-free. With features like one-click enhancements, customizable brushes, and even smart suggestions, Instadoodle empowers you to bring your ideas to life without needing years of experience or expensive equipment. It's perfect for digital artists, hobbyists, or even business owners looking to design unique graphics. Click the link in the description or the first comment now to learn more and see how Instadoodle can elevate your creativity to new heights. Let's talk about how Instadoodle solves everyday creative challenges. We've all been there, struggling to get the perfect design, spending hours on edits, or feeling limited by traditional tools. Instadoodle eliminates these roadblocks by giving you a seamless way to create professional quality art, whether you're working on a personal masterpiece or a business project. Imagine being able to sketch, design, and finalize your ideas without stress or complexity. Thousands of users have already discovered the joy of instant creativity with Instadoodle. Don't wait. Click the link in the description or the first comment below to explore everything this incredible tool has to offer. It's time to unlock your artistic potential and let your imagination soar. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that Instadoodle isn't just a tool. It's your creative companion. Whether you're looking to start a new hobby, enhance your artistic skills, or create professional quality designs, Instadoodle makes it all possible. It's simple, powerful, and tailored to anyone who loves to create. So don't let your ideas stay in your imagination. Turn them into reality today. Click the link in the description or the first comment below to visit the official website and get started with Instadoodle. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see the amazing art you'll create with this incredible tool.